My baby, my baby. I'm married someone. See, my love.
Hey, darling.
You see, as you are going to your workplace now, make sure you go in peace and come back in peace.
Sure, I will.
I'm not in pieces.
Sure, baby. I will.
And make sure nobody looks at your backside with their bombastic side eye.
Sure, baby. I
You
will.
understand?
You. Baby, make sure you take care of yourself for me, okay?
I'm always okay.
All right.
All right.
All right, baby.
All
All right, baby.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Baby, twerk it for me. Twerk it. Oh my Jesus. Yeah. Let's go. Bye bye. Later. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Excuse me, Dublaski. Come. Just a minute. Dublaski. Dublaski, don't be angry. I know you have not known me too much. We are just neighbor. But I want to know all these fine days that you are carrying every day and night. Where do you get them from? I get them from hookup. What is hookup? Hookup can be defined as a lady whereby she distributes her product from one place to another in order to get gain and profit. Yeah. So you're telling me something like that exists? Like somebody that is not your wife or your girlfriend? Yeah, you understand? Don't worry. Dublaski, I am interested in this hookup of yours. I would like to buy some goods and services. This my wife I put at home. She's always stingy with that her product some kind of time. You understand? So I need other new products to patronize. Like this hookup of a thing. Don't worry. That's why you have a good neighbor like me. Now, there's a girl on promo right now. If you pay for one, she will give you 3 in return. As long as you have generator, standing fan, and Indomie, you are good to go. Just have a standing fan, even hand fan. As long as there's no heat in the room, she's okay. Even hand fan. Dublaski, those are the type of product I like. You understand? Now that I don't have standing fan, I don't have AC, I know I have hand fan. That one can go a long way. Dublaski, you know I don't know you before, you don't know me before. But now I know you are the type of friend I like. You have wisdom. You are a wisdom man. We move. I said we move. With this your idea, I will never suffer for any product. Please go and get one for me. I am patiently waiting. Straight away. Bam. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah. This my wife. She's always stingy. I will tell her that I have asadas. After 4. When is this Dublaski of a person coming with my product? I pay for product, I no gree see product. After 4, before my wife go come back from work now, come see me say I no dey house. To be a war. The very first time I'm just doing business with you, Dublaski. You just want to disappoint me. Let me just wait more. I have been waiting in this apartment for long now. Now it's after 4. Oh. You know, I say my money can later go waste when I pay for this apartment. And me and Dublaski we will just have problem. Yeah. But Jesus. What is that? Gentle. This is the hookup. You remember I told you that if you pay for one, she's going to give you 3 extra. This time around, she's on bonus. She's going to give you 4 extra to make it 5 rounds. Wait, Dublaski. You mean the lady you told me about that is doing hookup, that if you pay for one, she will give you 3 extra, has added bonus, and this is the lady? Yes, now, this is the hookup. Hi! Chioma. So this is what you do. Chioma, you will leave home in the morning. You will say you are going to work. Whereas you are doing hookup. Chioma! Chioma!
Gentle, compose yourself now. Do you know her?
So, this is the lady that you said if you pay one, she will give you 4 Dublovsky. Dublovsky, this is my wife.
Your wife!
My wife!
The one you engaged and married!
Bam! She is a public figure. She is selling it, Dublovsky.
You what are you doing here? So you're waiting for hookup girls, right?
Why will I be waiting for hookup girls? See, I'm just here and I'm trying to test out something. If this hookup of a thing, if it works. But if it works, it's none of my business. You understand?
This man! I can see this is a family issue and I have no business here. I'll be on my way. Hook up, jump, hook up. Enjoy the broken homes.
Jesus! Jesus!